A Tennessee state trooper's jawline has gone viral in November of 2025. This is the story behind Cassius Thundercock. Cassius Thundercock is the internet given name for a Tennessee Highway Patrol officer photographed on November 2, 2024 at a football game between Tennessee and Kentucky State. Tennessee won that game 28-18, and during a post-game celebration interview, the state trooper was visible in the background. Here's that original clip.
Perfect. I'll take his competitive makeup every day. It's just been...
Someone took a picture of the trooper and it went viral. The first time it went viral was 1 year ago, when Old Row Sports posted his photo captioned, "New Giga Chad just dropped." Giga Chad is an older meme from 2017 that will be revived during the Great Meme Reset. The state trooper has a familiar look to this Giga Chad, which is why there is this reference. Initially, it was just observational humor. Look at this cop, look at his chin. The exaggerated masculine features made him meme-worthy. The character evolution happened later. The meme spread slowly. On November 10th, 2024, the image was reposted to Reddit, Instagram, and 9gag. Then, on January 27, 2025, Instagram user Baked Waffles posted a meme captioned, "This is the kind of police officer that will turn you into a BLM movement when he pulls you over." That post established the narrative. This cop is dangerous. On August 7, 2025, a meme was posted to the internet captioned, "When you and twin trolling trying to get a mugshot profile picture and Ranger Cassius Thundercock, who has no body cam, pulls you over." This meme created the name Cassius Thundercock and the narrative that his body cam is never on. The name Thundercock already existed as a meme through the meme chat Thundercock, so this is another reference to the Giga Chad meme. On November 10th, 2025, 1 year after the original photo was uploaded, TikToker YZSP100 posted a meme captioned, "When police officer Cassius Thundercock pulls you over and asks you to step out of the vehicle, so you request to speak to a supervisor and Officer Nate pulls up so you genuinely tell your mama that you love her." And this meme made the Cassius Thundercock persona explode. People started posting skits, reenactments, other memes, and more. What meme do you want me to explain next? Let me know in the comments down below after you hit the subscribe button.